Right, today I'm here with Joel. Hi Joel. Can you please show us the unpacking of your new Verto inverter, please?
Sure guys, we've got the Fronius 33.3 kilowatt inverter here today. We're going to unpack it and show you what's inside, give you a little bit of tips on how to unpack it safely as well. Don't judge my knife skills. Nick, do you mind?
I'll do the honours this side, mate.
So something to note that this Fronius Verto weighs 42 kilos. So you might, even though you might be strong, you might want to use a secondary person to lift it safely out of the box. Here we've got the front cover. Be really careful with this. It's got some protective surface on it, so you can lay it down face down, but on a flat surface. You'll then want to take out the packaging here. Then we've got our Fronius Verto here, which we're going to use 2 people to lift.
Straight back.
Cool. So, there we go. So that's the Verto, nice and naked there. We've got the front cover. Voila.